when HololiveEN members usually have a one month ban on collabs. Like they can only collab with their generation mates for the first month. And my first collaboration partner, as you remember, after that month of ban was lifted, was Subara Senpai, right? So she's a bird, right? So as a bird, my first collab partner was a bird, a fellow bird. So would it be like destiny if that peacock's I don't know what's her name again. Sorry, I don't remember the names yet. The bird, the Indonesian bird. If her first collaboration partner would be me, it would become full circle almost. Rain? If she would collab with me as her bird senpai, and then eventually we are going to have a like after she collab with me, we go full circle and do a collab all three together. So HoloBirds is becoming free people. Birds of the feathers stick together, yeah! HoloBirds unite!